HOND is in a strong bullish trend, up 13.21%. This is Wednesday, the 15th of October, 2025. Intraday high in this pre-market session, post-market session of yesterday, the 14th, is $29.52. It doesn't look that active as things stand right now. It doesn't look that active. No, not that active, but it's trending. It's currently trending. Let's find out what's behind that. The boss. Let's find out what's behind the chatter.
HOND is trending as investor chatter intensifies around its potential merger with Terrestrial Energy, reportedly slated for October 20th. The anticipation of this deal has sparked growing speculative momentum, with many in the trading community drawing comparisons to other advanced nuclear plays such as Oklo Inc. The excitement stems largely from the perceived upside of terrestrial energy's technology and market positioning in the next generation nuclear power space. Investors see the merger as a strategic entry point into a sector poised to benefit from accelerating demand for clean baseload energy solutions. HOND's current valuation is viewed as attractive relative to its peers, which has fueled bullish sentiment and calls for a potential pre merger run up. In addition to the common stock, warrants are becoming a focal point of discussion. Many traders view them as undervalued relative to potential post merger pricing, making them a high leverage speculative play leading up to the announcement. While enthusiasm is growing, some community members are also watching for official confirmations and regulatory filings, noting that deal execution and timing remain key variables. Still, overall sentiment is leaning optimistic, with a growing wave of retail and speculative interest building into October 20.
Okay, so as things stand right now, the extrapolation of its 3 period moving average on this 4 hour chart is saying that the strength will remain in place at least up till the 16th of October, and the projections not into the upside. We'll get to that later on. We have 23.21. It's a down projection. We have intraday high here of 29.52. That's one upward projection. We might be able to project from that level. And because as things stand right now, if once it's associated with stocks like Oklo and nuclear, uh, portable, I mean SMRs, portable nuclear energy, those sort of things. Expect expansion, further expansion. Some might even be saying that it's already cheaper. Yeah, it's already undervalued related to its peers. So let's see what the price pressure momentums are currently seeing. So as things stand right now, I think the momentum on its 10 period moving average may peak. Let's see, it's saying it's going to peak by today's pre-market session. So there might be some exhaustion going on. The momentum may begin to decline. Yeah, that's what the extrapolation is saying. It does not mean that the stock will plunge, but if the momentum it takes to go from 1 to 10 is not exactly the momentum it takes to go from 10 to 40. Really, it's not really the same. So that's why we are looking at the prospect of momentum declining, but it doesn't mean it doesn't, and the other implications of that, it means maybe it may provide an opportunity for scalping or those sort of things, but as things stand right now, it's a different market altogether. Momentum is still building. It's a different dynamics. The sort of things that can be done in the interim may be a bit different. So, but in any case, let's see what the values of the price pressure momentums are indicating. Acceleration of the momentum is going on. Acceleration of momentum is going on. Right, nothing here is bearish. Positions opened up to 84 hours ago, up to 800 hours ago. Yeah, very much in profit. Yeah, very much in profit. Yeah, so the stock is currently trending. Like I mentioned earlier on, as you heard in the readout, the company Terrestrial Energy is in the same sector with Oklo and all those SMRs, so expect more expansion to come, and expect the stock to still be trending for some time to come as well. So but in the interim, there isn't this is the pre-market session, not much is going on. Not much is going on. So we promised that we were going to have a look at the upper projections. Yes, that's what we're going to have a look at. There is I mean, the sky's the limit for the stock. So what we're just going to do now is just doing the obvious. So we'll take 229.52 and we'll subtract 27.61. Okay, that's going to give us almost $2. It's just going to be 1.93. It's going to give us no, it's going to give us 1.91. 1.91, isn't it? Yeah, yeah, 1.9. Sorry, 1.91. No, I really want to get this done without using the calculator. No, 1.19, is it? Let's see. Yeah, I got it right. Yeah, 1.91. Okay, so 1.91 multiplied by 1.618 Fibonacci extension level. We have 309 there. 3.09. Okay, let's see. Let's see what we have. 1.91 for HOND. Okay, so 3.09, add that to 28.34. We have 31.43. 31.43. Then we'll try again. 1.91 multiplied by 2.618 Fibonacci extension level. We have $5. We add that to 28.34 and we have 33.34. Okay, so 1.91 multiplied by 3.618 Fibonacci extension level. We have 6.91. We add that to 28.34. We have 35.25. Okay, so in the interim, those are the projections we have. That we could still go ahead to project further, but let's just leave it that way. It can be it may blow through all of these projections. So we have 31.43, 33.74, 35.25, also including 29.52. Yeah, so there isn't much going on right now. It's not that active. The market is just open to sophisticated hands. Yeah, so very quiet right now. Aggression very high. So we'll see how it goes. Thank you very much for watching this video.